Hello, my name is Steven Bisada, and I will talk about my project number one, transportation patterns in Tennessee. And location analysis. First of all, I will talk about my overview, and then I will talk about my research questions. And similarly, I will go to all steps to show you how I did this project in a good way. So you can see that overview. Access to services and development of economic activities heavily relies on effective transportation network systems. This project presents a mapping for transportation networks available in Tennessee and their respective population densities. The objective is to ascertain areas where the transport network developed within urban settings may fall short of meeting the populations. So my research question is based on transportation patterns, that how does transportation road density correlate with population density in different census tracts of Tennessee, and what implications does this have for mobility. So you can see here that uh, first of all, I have used different data sources to collect my data. You can see here like I have used Tiger or line shape files, and similarly I have used transportation data from different other departments of Tennessee, Department of Transportation, and I have followed some steps like importing data, data cleaning and merging, calculating new attributes, and finally methodology. First of all, here QGIS is followed. I have used a free software QGIS that we have learned in this class. And I have done a research about this online also to make sure that I am doing it in right way. And then I have imported all the data using import in the QGIS, and then all the data is shown in QGIS, and then I have imported next step, that is data cleaning and merging, where I have cleaned my data according to my project details. And then I have moved to calculating new attributes, I have used a transportation route density. This was computed as the total length of transportation routes per square mile of land in a census tract. Population density, the number of people per square mile. I have used all these attributes to make sure that nothing is gone wrong at my end or either side. Similarly, the method that I have used here is to first of all to make some work on the paper. Then I have developed all the map in the QGIS folder, and then I have moved to detail steps like you can say clipping census tract data, calculating road density, where I have used field calculator to calculate everything. I calculated the total length of transportation routes within each tract divided by an area of the tract to get road density. Similarly, population data from census was used to calculate the number of people per square mile for each tract. Visualization steps or two thematic maps were created, where one showing transportation road density per tract and other is showing as another displaying population density per square mile. What map exactly shows us that, first of all, transportation route density map shows us uh, in each of a census tract, the darker tracts represent a denser location of transportation arteries, while the lighter areas could denote areas that have more of a transport deficit. Similarly, the other map, which is population density map. This map depicts the relative population density of each tract, while the dark tone signifies more populated areas. Superimposing this map with the density map of transportation routes allows one to identify transport inequities due to misalignment between the existing infrastructure and population distribution. And conclusion that I have found from this all project is very clear that I want to show you in implications like uh, the analysis that I have already done on this is very clear that Nashville uh, the places where the high populations are existed, the reason for concentration areas is that it is very developed transportation system that make it easier for people to travel and access import facilities. Similarly, implications, policymakers could use this analysis to prioritize transportation investments in underserved areas, ensuring that rural populations have better access to mobility options. Future research could incorporate travel time data or public transportation usage statistics to further explore the relationship between transportation, infrastructure, and mobility. That was my final decision to make this project successfully implemented. So I hope I have done everything in this project that was required.